Hey guys, my name is John. Welcome to JSR Reactions. Hey guys, so for today we'll be checking out YooA's new song for her solo debut called Voyage. So if you didn't know, YooA, she's from a group called Oh My Girl. So this will be her, I think it's her first solo debut. Yeah.
Yes.
Very exciting because
I'm so excited. I love Oh My Girl.
A solo debut from Oh My Girl is long overdue. But here it is. Let's check this out. 3, 2, 1.
Oh, is she okay?
Oh, what
Yo,
was
you know
that?
her voice is popping, so this better be good. They better give her some honest hit.
That's a nice car though. Ooh.
Where'd she stop?
I guess she saw something.
She didn't crash.
She's so pretty.
Well.
Excuse
You better
me?
run.
What is that?
You better
You
run.
better run.
That's a huge.
Why are you not getting into
Edward.
the car?
You mean Jacob?
Jacob.
Yeah. What is he?
Oh, there she's
Oh, there she's running.
Running from the wolf now.
I don't know.
Wait, what's happened? Did she like accept the wolf?
Oh, she became the wolf.
Is this Princess Mononoke? I'm like serious. It's like Princess Mononoke.
I think I see it.
Oh.
You know what I'm talking about? Yo, I think this is Princess Mononoke thing.
She's a really pretty. Was it
I think
is
with
it deer?
animals. I swear this is
Reindeer?
Princess Mononoke.
This is cute. This sunflower.
She really loves trees.
She's just hugging that tree.
This is one of my favorite members.
She's one of my favorite members too. Oh. Oh wow. Okay. Oh,
She's just one with nature.
Yeah.
this location is good. It's really good. Wow.
Calling upon the sea. The sea
Right?
spirit.
Oh yes, you got to swing.
Oh look at that. She's a water bender, an air bender.
Is she Avatar?
She's the next avatar.
This
Oh, I like this. This is a
Yeah.
very Bon Voyage.
Wow.
feel.
Yeah.
It is very Bon
I
Voyage.
love the camera
I
work.
like it.
Yeah,
Right?
Yeah.
Right? You better work.
Some amazing drone shots. Wow.
Best CGI up in there.
I don't think that's how butterflies work. Oh.
Oh, she's a fairy. She's Tinkerbell.
Oh, whoa.
Whoa.
Oh.
Oh.
Another fairy.
Cut her hair. Cut her hair, new identity. She's cute.
I like her.
Yeah,
I
her hair looks
short
good on
hair.
her.
Yeah.
Now
Ooh,
she has.
the nighttime.
Oh. Oh, whoa.
This looks like she's going to a rave.
Oh.
Now, where those neon lights coming from?
What happened to the wolf?
That's what I'm waiting for.
Oh,
There it is.
I was like, all right.
We're at the rave.
You better wolf dance.
The forest rain.
He's dancing the wolf away.
Dancing with the wolves.
Oh.
This is the choreo
What is
for
that?
Live, where she's
Being one of the
right.
That's
Like it'd be like the other Avatar lives,
like Avatar, the
movie, yeah.
the blue.
the blue,
Yeah,
the blue
the
people.
one.
Whoa.
Oh. Okay, you better fall.
I thought she was gonna.
She's hanging on the freaking wolf. Oh no,
Oh,
no, she's the
there's more
wolf
wolves.
leader.
Oh, she changed her outfit. I know that. She was dreaming.
Was she?
Are you sure?
Was dreaming.
She's just hallucinating?
Is she on LSD?
Oh, you know, maybe that's like a good because rave and
Rave,
I mean,
yeah.
she was definitely at a summer festival
Yes.
for sure.
Coachella.
Yeah,
Coachella?
she had the whole like
Yep, that was the
makeup, get
Coachella.
up, right?
Yeah.
So is she the leader of the pack?
Of the wolf.
Of the
She
wolf
was
pack?
the white wolf. She became the white wolf. The white wolf never showed up again.
Yeah, there was a black wolf.
Yeah, but
But are you sure that wolf was black? We were in the dark.
I mean, the light
It's
was
true.
shown.
I mean,
I mean,
She's leaving. Maybe she was on her way
away
to
from-
leave. Right? 'Cause she's in the car and then she
She's-
stopped and then the
she's
wolf
trying-
and then
she's running away.
the wolf was gonna stop her and then she was like, "Nah, girl, I'm still gonna go." You know.
And the wolf was like, "Well, let me take you to
Let
my
me-
cool forest."
Let me take you through my journey.
Maybe they locked eyes and then she just saw
Saw who she
could be.
Oh, like a spirit animal.
Oh yeah.
Oh, like the spirit wolf,
Was like
like this is what your life will look.
The spirit wolf guiding
because you're
her.
leaving.
Yeah.
Oh, it's guiding her.
Guiding her.
Oh, okay.
All right.
Okay. Alright,
We're
Danielle.
gonna read the lyrics and it's gonna
It's gonna be completely wrong.
It's on vacation. And it was legit like.
she ran into a wolf and that was it.
But yeah, the music video was really good. I love how it really built the story. Confused on what the story is,
So-
but it was still really, really good. Song was great. I just wish, like you said, gave her more of a range to really showcase her skills. But other than that, it was still really good. I'm really happy for her that she got to do her solo. It's been long overdue, and I'm hoping for what else is gonna bring.
Yeah.
Another
Yeah.
song.
But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.